quick fail as my camera almost falls down. I'm going to suit here. Come back with another video break of 2009 Donruss Threads football. And hopefully this box is better than... Actually, you know what? This box will be better than the last one we had, because it couldn't get any worse. Well, I guess it could if we didn't get any hits or anything. Alright. So, toss that on the floor. Here we go, guys. 24 packs. Starting off with pack number 1. I'll do the video in 2 separate breaks like I usually do. It's because we have 24 packs. Decoy. Tons of base, tons of pack. Rookie card for the Cowboys. Victor Butler. Numbered 122 of 250. Victor Butler. Whoever the hell he is. Hopefully we get a hot box, because I have seen hot boxes out of this already with 5 hits instead of 3 or whatever it's supposed to be in here. Got a hit in this pack. Got a hit. We'll go slow for the camera. Turn it around this way. Actually, it's not a hit. Sorry, I thought it was a hit. Decoy. My bad. Oh, it's a Gridiron Kings card. And he got drafted by the failed big time. He got drafted by the 49ers of Glenn Coffey. That's not numbered. That's what I thought was a hit. But it was not. Just a plain Gridiron King cards. And that was a fail. My bad. I'm usually pretty good at pointing out the hits right away, too, when I see them, but alright. Decoy. Got an insert card of a blue insert of Matt Forte, pretty low numbered. Matt Forte, number 22 of 25. Matt Forte insert. Number 22 of 25. Pretty cool looking shiny card. Pretty. Yeah, it is pretty. The baby blue and freaking packs, man. Some of these packs drive me... Now that side opens fine. These packs drive me absolutely nuts. Got a hit in here. I think I already peeked a little bit and saw it. Go slow for the camera. Hopefully it's something good. Not bad. Better than the last one we had, without a doubt. Let's see. Alright. It's going to be our jersey autograph patch rookie. A decent player in my eyes anyway. It's going to be a big big letter G. Numbered 40 of 180 for the Titans of Mr. Javon Ringer. Javon Ringer. Big G. Pretty nice. Moving right along. Yeah, right, Balsar. I hear you, bro. I got an insert that's not going to be numbered, I can tell you right now. Chris Beanie Wells. Chris Beanie Wells insert that's not numbered. None of those will go out, you guys, unless you have hits. If you get, the Cardinals, who's the Cardinals? I mean, obviously, if you guys have something. They have a lot of these insert cards that aren't numbered, which is kind of disappointing. Eli Manning, Century Stars insert, not numbered. Gonna whip through those because I don't think anybody cares about any of those. Decoy insert of Santonio Holmes, number 222 of 250. Decoy, got an insert of Kevin Boss, numbered 151 of 250. Still looking for at least 2 more hits. Century Stars for the Eagles, Mr. Donovan McNabb, not numbered. Yeah, a lot of inserts in here, like 1 per friggin' pack. Busted like 3 boxes of this stuff already, and I've only pulled a couple packs that don't, that just have base in them. Insert card for the Browns, Ozzie Newsome, Braylon Edwards, not numbered. Decoy, got a Gridiron Kings card that's not numbered of Graham Harrell, who plays for Canada now, so I don't think anybody cares. Next, got another insert or a hit. Please let it be good. Not bad. Better. It would have been better if it was autographed, but I'm not going to complain. Going to be a dual jersey. Numbered, high numbering though, numbered 145 of 500. Rookie collection dual of Mark Sanchez and Sean Green. Both 1 color. Mark Sanchez and Sean Green, numbered 145 of 500. A bum in a button-down shirt. That is true. Got another hit. Pretty cool looking. Number 38 of 100. Another dual jersey. Actually, a Hall of Famer on this one. It's going to be Ryan Grant and Paul Hornung dual jersey. Number 38 of 100. Ryan Grant and Paul Hornung. Number 38 of 100. So you're supposed to get 3 hits per box. We have a lot of packs left. Might be a hot box. I'm going to do 1 more pack. We're going to stop it and do the second part in a different recording. Base. Got a rookie card of Alphonso Smith. Number 2/999. So we'll stop the recording right there. Come back with part 2. But I'm going to suit out.